I was planning on doing a very resistive load bank with this thing here, which shows with a bunch of power resistors on a heatsink. It works kind of good, but it's not the kind of adjustability that I want. It's not adjustable. You got to have a bunch of different values of everything, and that would require quite a big heatsink, which I don't have the space for that. And so first of all, for this project I'm gonna go out to cut myself a piece of heatsink off this thing, and then I'll be back and show how I'm gonna do this. And now I have a piece of heatsink in more appropriate size. And the way this load is gonna work is I'm gonna use 2 transistors. One will do fine, but I got 2, so I will use them. And then we'll put a potentiometer, I think I'll use a 10K or something, between the emitter and the base. And thereby we can control the current flow from the emitter to the base, and which will control the current flow from the emitter to the collector. And that way we will get a nice resistive load, adjustable load. And that's that. There's not much more to say about it, so I'm gonna build this now, and I might shoot some video of when I build it too, I don't know yet. We'll see. I'm not gonna isolate this from these ones from the heatsink, since it won't matter, because they're still gonna go to ground, both of them. They will be the same. And then I use these nice holders. It's fairly simple thing. And it's done. This is like what the finished product looks like, and I will try to draw a schematic for it too, but I don't think I'm gonna make that work. So, pull about 0. Nope. Clearly did something wrong. And after a bit of troubleshooting, I found out what I did wrong. For the first thing, the transistors were connected backwards. It's supposed to go to it's supposed to flow from collector to emitter, not emitter to collector, as I found out. And now it's done and working, and it will just dial in here, as I will show you right now. That's the power supply. I blew it up during the test, so I had to fix it, but anyway. And it's just, you can just put whatever you want here. Up to 6 amps at 17 volts. And at 0 it would blow up the potentiometer. I worked my way through all my 10Ks before I realized what the problem was. So I had to put a couple of resistors there to get it not all the way down to 0, which would blow it up with 2 transistors. With 1 it wouldn't. I tried that before. And that's how it ended up. It looks a bit like that on the backside if anyone wants to see. And if you want to see what kind of transistors I used, if I can get it to. Yeah, there you see. And that's it. See you in the next project, which will probably be in a long time. And of course a crappy drawn schematic. Probably unreadable, but you got it.